So let's look at number 5. It's the same thing as 3 and 4, but we have a picture this time. So our ordered pairs are -2, -5, and 4, -8. So remember, we're going to use y equals mx plus b. So we need to figure out our m and our b. So we have m equals -5 minus -8 over -2 minus 4. So that gives me +3 over -6, which of course is -1/2. So there's our slope. All right, I'm going to use this point, and so that means we're going to use y equals m was -1/2 x plus b. We're going to find our b. Remember, x we'll say is 4, and y is -8. So let's substitute -8 in for y, and 4 in for x, plus b. So -8 equals -1/2 of 4 is -2, plus b. So to solve this, let's add 2 to both sides. So our b is -6. So now we're ready to write our equation. Y equals -1/2 x minus 6.